Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my peeps. Hi, it's G here, Gayon here. Today's Wednesday, April 11, 2018. Welcome to my daily health tip for today. Woo, woo. So today I'll be sharing an article regarding that it shares the 3 benefits of lemon water. So this is a quick little thing, guys. It takes 20 seconds, okay, to make some lemon water. So hopefully at the end of this video, as I share this information, it encourages you to start drinking, your lemon water on a daily basis. I drink lemon water every single day. That's all I drink throughout the day is lemon water. So so let's this article is in my Healthy You page, guys. You can go to Healthy You page. The link is right below the description of the video, and and follow the page. And this article is there as well. Woo-hoo. Okay, so again, to talk about, so I'm gonna share 3 benefits of lemon water. Okay, so this is what they're recommending here in this article. Again, this is an article of all experts and nutritionists that share different tips every day, and I'm a part of this newsletter. And this is the Authority Nutrition newsletter that I'm a part of. Okay. So here we go, and this is Mike Geary, one of my favorite certified nutrition specialists. He's sharing this article today. Okay, so here's what he says. So immediately upon waking up each day, this is what he recommends: squeeze about a half to a full lemon, depending on the size of the lemon, into an 8-ounce glass of warm or room temperature purified water. This is gentler on your body first thing in the morning compared to a ice cold water. So he's talking about room temperature purified water, and you're going to squeeze about a half to a full lemon, depending on the size of the lemon. Okay, I found that slicing the lemon into quarters before squeezing by hand is easier than squeezing halves. So you can divide it in 4s and squeeze it in your water. Drink this at least 10 minutes before eating any food for the day. So this is the first thing he wants you to do before you eat your first meal for the day. Do this first, at least 10 minutes before you eat. Okay, make sure to use fresh organic lemons to make this drink and not bottled lemon juice. So we're talking about the freshly squeezed lemon, and make sure the lemon is organic, because of pesticides that can accumulate in the melon. In the lemon, make sure you're using organic lemons. Okay, so here are 3 major benefits of this morning drink to your body, health, and energy. Okay, so the health promoting benefits of lemons are powerful. For centuries, it has been known that lemons contain antibacterial, antiviral, and immune boosting components. We know that lemons are a good digestive aid and liver cleanser. Okay, so what are the 3 benefits of lemon water? Number 1, it's going to improve your digestion. Lemon juice helps your body improve digestion and stimulates bile production. Bile, B-I-L-E, B as in boy. Lemon juice can even be an aid for heartburn and indigestion. So it helps with, number 1, it helps to improve your digestion. What's the second benefit? Number 2 benefit is it boosts your energy for the day. Even just the scent of lemon juice has been shown to improve your mood and energy levels and reduce anxiety. Plus, the detoxifying effect and alkalizing effect of fresh organic lemon juice can improve your energy through the removal of toxins from your body. And anything you can do that can aid you to help remove toxins from your body daily, it's going to help you. So number 2 is it boosts your energy for the day. Okay, and what's the last benefit of lemon water, as stated here in this article by Mike Geary? Helps you lose fat. Who doesn't need to help? Who isn't trying to lose weight? If you're watching either the replay or you're on live, if you're trying to lose weight, throw me a yes in the comment. Just throw me a 1 in the comment, a 1, the number 1. If you are trying to lose fat, which is which is losing weight. Since lemon juice helps improve your digestive system, aids in the removal of toxins, and increase your energy level, this all combines together to help you lose body fat as well through improving your hormone balance. Yet, another reason to add warm lemon water to your daily morning routine. Okay, so there you go. So those are the 3 benefits that I'm just sharing today. The 3 benefits of lemon water. Okay, improves your digestion, it boosts your energy for the day, and it helps you lose fat. So these are the 3 benefits of lemon water. So guys, and again, it takes 20 seconds to make lemon water. Hey Arlette, welcome. Only 20 seconds to make lemon water. So as what Mike Geary has recommended here, make your lemon water in the morning. So you take depending on the size of your lemon, you could take either half the lemon or the whole lemon, depending on the size, and squeeze it in your water into an 8-ounce bottle of water or glass, you know, whichever you're using, a bottle or a glass. 8-ounce, let's say 8-ounce glass of water, purified water. Squeeze the lemon in the water, half a lemon or a whole lemon, depending on the size. Make sure you're using organic lemon, because of pesticides. Remember guys, you always have to be concerned with pesticides with our fruits in a farming. So get the organic lemon, squeeze a half of lemon in your water from the lemon, not the lemon juice, but the lemon. Squeeze it in your water, and he says to drink it room temp. Make sure the water is room temperature, not cold water, because you're drinking this the first thing in the morning. He recommends you drink this first thing in the morning, before 10 minutes before you eat your first meal. Drink a room temperature 8-ounce glass of water, squeeze the lemon in there, and that's it. And these are the benefits of doing this every single morning. Practice this every morning before you eat your first meal, 10 minutes before you eat. Improves your digestion, boosts your energy for the day, and it helps you lose fat. Okay, and this is natural, a natural way to do it. So those are the benefits for lemon water, and it's such an easy thing to do. I drink lemon water every day throughout the day. That's all I drink, lemon water. So start drinking more lemon water, guys. It's really good. These are some fantastic benefits to lemon water, and it's such an easy thing to make. So if you haven't started drinking your lemon water yet, hopefully this will encourage you to start, you know, adding lemon water in your daily routine of how you're eating. Anyway, so that's it, guys. So that's my tip for today. And as I leave here, make sure you join my group. The link is right below. Wherever you see the description of the title of this video, there's a link that says join group. It's a healthy eating group that's diabetes friendly. So I'm showing you guys, you know, giving you recipes and ideas and how to start eating healthier. And all these recipes and ideas I share with you are all diabetes friendly. So if you're diabetic, definitely, you know, I would encourage you to join the group. And again, it's all about healthy eating. So if you want to be a part of that group, just click the link below where it says join the group there. Click there and join the group, okay? So guys, that's so Arlette, you're a rock star. Thanks for being on today. Guys, that's my tip for today. My whole tip: go drink your lemon water. I have my bottle actually of lemon water. It doesn't look like it, but there's lemon in here. There's lemon water in my bottle here, and this is an actual glass bottle that I use all day to drink my water. So I have this water every time as I drink this, I refill it again. I have my mug of lemon water downstairs, so I refill this throughout the day, and I'll drink this throughout the day, especially right now where it's hot. You know, it's in the 80s today. It's hot. It's been hot out here lately. It's very, very important that you hydrate your system all throughout the day. So you definitely want to start drinking more water throughout the day, and why not make it lemon water? Look at all the benefits. So drink more lemon water. Make sure you're hydrating your body. And guys, that's it. So hope to see you guys in the group. Go ahead and join the group, guys. The first challenge we're gonna start in our group is we're gonna start a breakfast challenge. I'll share with you guys some breakfast ideas to focus. First, we're gonna focus on breakfast. How to eat healthier breakfast. That's gonna be our first challenge in our group. So so for this week, as you guys are join the group, also invite your friends to join the group as well, because at the end of the 5-day, I'm doing a 5-day challenge. At the end of the 5-day challenge, the person that invites the most people in the group will get I'm gonna give away one of my favorite health things that I take every day that's so critical for your health. So I'm gonna give that away for free for the person that invites the most people in that group. So, and I'm gonna start the breakfast challenge on Monday coming up here, this Monday, April 16th. So go ahead and join the group, invite your friends so that you can you know, win that prize at the end of the week, end of next week. So I'll start that 5-day challenge next Monday, the 16th, on eating a healthy breakfast. And every day I'm gonna go in a group and, you know, give you ideas and breakfast to help you guys out, okay? Anyway, so Arlette, thanks for being on your Rockstar, ladies and gentlemen. That's my tip for today. Have a wonderful day. This is Gail signing off. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you all in my next health tip. Have a wonderful day, everyone.